Hello and welcome. If after reading a word problem you have ever wondered, where do I start? Then this video is for you. There are several problem solving strategies out there, but we are going to focus on this 7-step strategy, which if you look at carefully, it's really 5 steps. The sixth one is to check, and the seventh one is to write the answer to the problem. So, like any strategy, all strategies have this common first step. You read the problem, read it, and make sure you understand all the words and the ideas that are included in the problem. Now be careful, sometimes there is some extra information given to you which is irrelevant or just, is there to give you a little bit of background of the question that you're dealing with. So make sure you understand what information is relevant when you're reading the problem. The second step is identify what you're looking for. Are you looking for a number? Are you looking for area of a rectangle? Are you looking for the price of an item? So once you have figured out what you're looking for, the next step would be choose a variable that represents that quantity. And this one will come with practice. Sometimes it's the quantity that you're looking for, and sometimes you use another quantity which is related to the item that you're looking for. And this will make more sense when we do some more problems. Next step, after you have done the first three, which is really the bulk of it, and then this one, number 4, is probably where it all comes together. Translate into an equation. So look at the word problem, narrow it down to a sentence, and then convert that sentence into an algebraic equation. So, and this is one of the most important steps. So, for example, if when you read the problem and there were some keywords like more or times, quotient, so all those words, those keywords that you're aware of, and how do they relate to an algebraic operation. So if for example the question says a number is 3 more than another, so that would mean the first number is 3 plus the other number. Or if it says a number is 5 times another, so times is a key word, and you would say, for example, if the first number that you're looking for is x, then the second one is 5 times y, the other variable, right? So there's so many things that you'll need to be aware of when you write the sentence in an algebraic equation. Once you're there, then you're gonna look at how do you solve the equation, and we have done that in the last few chapters: addition principle, multiplication principle. Whatever you need to do to isolate your variable, use that strategy to solve the equation in step number 4. And then once you have the solution, look at it and see if it makes sense, right? And because most of the word problems you'll come across are real life problems, and intuitively you can tell whether your answer makes sense or not. So make sure you go back and check. You can substitute the answer that you got in step 4 and see if the equation balances out. So that would be my suggestion, to check your answer. And the last step is quite easy. You write the answer to the equation with a complete sentence. So, for example, if you were looking for the cost of a meal before taxes, then you would say, for example, the cost came out to be $15. I'm taking an example here. You would say the cost of the meal was $15 before taxes. So it's a complete sentence when you write the answer and not just $15. So this is a brief introduction to problem-solving strategies. In the next video, I'll use this strategy to solve a problem. Thank you.